All right, hello everyone. So we are in the app called Clips, which is already on your iPad, and we're clicking on the star right here, and we are in ink or comic monotone. Either one works really good. I like the ink because it gives a little more detail. So we have to make sure that the light is set up right. So I know there's lights above me right now, and if I'm like underneath, see how my eye is like right here? Lots of shadows, no bueno. So I'm gonna look up towards the light, and I'm going to take a photograph. I'm gonna look at the camera because it looks nice. Boom, that. There I am. Okay, so now we're gonna put this. How do we save it? Is this already saved to our camera roll?
You have to go down to the export button at the bottom.
Export.
And then hit
Save image. Look at that. Okay. Now we're going to open Photoshop. You already tried this, but we're going to start a new project. Any size is good. All right, so we're going to import that photo from the camera roll. And then what we're going to do is we're going to import another one. And it'll make sense why the same photo, right? Not a different one, the same photo. And then on the top layer, what we're going to do is we're going to change the properties from blend mode to darken. And what that's going to do is it's going to make all the blacks show up on top, and everything that's white will turn transparent. So now, let's say I'm going to not show the top layer. I'm going to put a layer between. Go here. And now I'm going to paint my. Oh, I'm in the wrong layer. Oops, it needs to be. Look at there, you guys. Let's paint my. Whoa!
No, you're on the wrong layer.
I'm on the wrong layer.
You have to go on the white layer.
White layer. The middle layer. Okay, I'm going to paint my eyebrows really quickly. Looks really weird. Let's change this to like a blue. Maybe my glasses. Tap out of it. Make my glasses circles blue. This is really bad, you guys. But as you can see, I'm coloring underneath just like the Andy Warhol version. So I'm going to go and I'm going to color everything in this image. And then I'll save it, and then I can use the paint bucket to change colors, just like the Andy Warhol version. So this is a quick little tutorial. Hope it helps. Have a great rest of your day, and I miss you guys.